This is a JBL cheetah suspension mount that I got off Thingiverse, and I'm sorry I can't remember the name of the guy who copied it, because this is like the same dimensions as the original aluminum part, but PLA is not as strong as aluminum, so I revised it and I made it a millimeter thicker. PLA is still not as strong as aluminum, nowhere near to as close, so it broke. And then I printed it in PETG, but before I could test it, I modified it quite a bit. So now it's 10 millimeters thick, and it's quite nice, if I do say so myself. So if anyone needs a part for JBL Cheetah, I can upload it to Thingiverse or Maker, one of the other sites, because Thingiverse is broken. But that's all. I just wanted to show this off because I thought it turned out quite nice. So this is my first ever 3D designed part, and this is version 6 of that part. Nice radius corners, or felts, or whatever. Very nice.